We want to be your one-stop source for everything boat or water related. So we carry top names like Nitro, Tracker, Ranger, Triton, Lund, Maycraft, and Bayliner. We're an authorized dealer for Motor Guide and Minn Kota trolling motors. We've also got name brand canoes, kayaks, buck knives, tackle, even the latest apparel.
Dreaming of springtime thaws? Warm weather's on the way, and Thayer's Marine has high-performance boats for every pastime. We carry Nitro and Triton models, both trusted by true fishing champions. And for all-around fun, consider Bayliner. This brand puts more families on the water than anyone. Shop now at ThayersMarine.com.
Our New England lakes and rivers provide plenty of opportunities for a great day on the water, and Thayer's Marine is the area's most trusted resource for